While most people tend to associate this process, high anxiety or hyperarousal, with big trauma-related events, it is important to remember that everyone has a different tolerance. And number three, sometimes when our feelings become too intense or when we experience too many feelings at once, we can go into a hyperarousal state. And this is super important. If you remember from a prior video, and not to make things too complicated, when we are in a hyperaroused state or fight or flight, our limbic system, our emotional brain, can take over and shut down our neocortex, our thinking brain, where we lose our ability to think. Now, this is important because we lose our ability to process our experience and our nervous system stays hyperaroused. And when we stay in the state of hyperarousal, our anxiety stays high and we become more susceptible to issues like high amounts of stress, depression, or PTSD. Recent studies have indicated that when this occurs, our hippocampus, think limbic system or emotional brain, shrinks or becomes impaired and our avoidance learning increases. In other words, we overthink even more to avoid our perceived negative emotions, and this is not good. And while most people tend to associate this process, high anxiety or hyperarousal, with big trauma-related events, it is important to remember that everyone has a different tolerance. This process can also occur with more common everyday decisions.